B2B travel sales rely on the human connection between a supplier and a travel agent. It requires genuine trust to hand over a client's vacation. Out on the front lines, agents face immense pressure. When a client is sitting across the desk ready to book, the agent needs immediate, verified answers about specific cabin types, included meal plans, or commissions to close the sale. Logistical realities create barriers. When a London agent needs a Sunday answer, the Miami supplier's offices are closed, leading to unread emails. This chart shows the backlog data. 78% of delayed inquiries are basic trivia clogging the communication channel. This volume of repetitive queries takes a heavy toll on the supplier side. Dedicated sales representatives often spend their days acting as manual search engines rather than fostering real partnerships. Both parties want to collaborate, but they are blocked by logistical overload. This creates an empathy gap, a broken support system that delays sales, frustrates agents, and costs everyone revenue. TravelIQ is the industry's first voice AI communication bridge, built specifically to bridge this gap for the travel trade. The onboarding process is frictionless. Suppliers simply upload the materials they already use, like product presentations, official policy documents, and internal agent FAQs. This shows our closed-loop security model. The AI learns only from your proprietary data. If an answer isn't there, it won't guess, ensuring verified brand alignment. For the agent, the connection is immediate. They connect instantly via voice or chat, bypassing hold music entirely. The platform also instantly translates inquiries in over 10 languages, providing support around the clock. By adopting this technology, a supplier is no longer constrained by standard office hours. They become an instantly reachable, universally supportive partner for any agent anywhere on Earth. On the supplier side, TravelIQ functions as a continuous business intelligence engine. Every time an agent interacts with the AI, the platform logs the details of their query, removing the anonymity of standard website traffic. This dashboard converts conversations into structured leads. You see who is asking, their name, agency, and inquiry type. This process isolates pre-qualified intent signals. Instead of cold calls, your sales team follows up on warm leads while the conversation is fresh. The system actively maps your live sales network in real time, feeding your team actionable intelligence rather than just busy work. This technology is designed to protect human interaction, not replace it. This scale illustrates the reallocation of resources. We let the AI carry the weight of the trivia, liberating human teams to focus entirely on building trust. This operational shift reduces support costs while ensuring travel agents receive consistent service on every interaction. For the sales representative, the job becomes more strategic. With basic facts handled by AI, their time is spent on complex problem-solving and deepening relationships. The true value of AI in travel is restoring the time and energy for humans to do what they do best. It is time to become searchable, reachable, and available 24/7. Join TravelIQ, and let's build the future of travel intelligence together.